Magandang buhay mga mabuting mag-aaral ng Angeles City National High School. Ako, si Ms. Michelle V. Flores, ang magiging guro ninyo sa mathematics. Bago tayo magtungo sa ating lesson para sa araw na ito, ay may mga katanungan ako sa inyo. Naranasan nyo na bang mautusan ng inyong nanay na pumunta sa palengke upang bumili ng bigas gaya ng nasa larawan? At sa pagpunta ninyo sa palengke ay nalaman ninyo na ang kada kilo ng bigas ay nagkakahalaga ng 50 pesos. Narito ngayon ang mga tanong. Kung ikaw ay bibili ng 2 kilong bigas, magkano ang halaga nito? Tama, 100 pesos. Paano naman kung ikaw ay bibili ng 3 kilo? Tama, 150 pesos. Kung 4 na kilo naman ang iyong bibilhin, magkano ang iyong babayaran? Tama, 200 pesos. Ito ay isang halimbawa ng direct variation. Ano nga ba ang ibig sabihin ng direct variation? Ayon kay Merriam-Webster Dictionary, a direct variation is a mathematical relationship between two variables that can be expressed by an equation in which one variable is equal to a constant times the other. In mathematical terms, the definition of direct variation is a special type of linear relationship that can be represented by a function in the form y is equal to kx where k is not equal to 0. The constant of variation is k. The coefficient of x in the function y is equal to kx. By dividing each side of y is equal to kx by x, you can see that the ratio of the variables is constant, which is y over x is equal to k. Ibig sabihin, dalawang equation ang maaari nating gamitin under direct variation. Ito ay y is equal to kx, or kung constant of variation naman ang hinahanap, k is equal to y over x. And our lesson for today will be solving problems involving variation, specifically direct variation. Since alam na natin ngayon ang definition ng direct variation, ngayon naman pag-aaralan natin ang mga steps na makakatulong sa pagsusolve ng worded problem under direct variation. Step 1. Read the problem and write the equation. Kailangan nating basahing maigi ang problem, hanapin ang statement o clue na nagsasabing ito ay under direct variation bago maisulat ang equation. Step number 2. Identify the given. Dito, kailangan nating ma-identify ang mga given at kung ano ang hinahanap. Step number 3. Use the equation and substitute the given. Ito ay pinagsamang step number 1 and step number 2. Kailangan nating gamitin ang equation at isubstitute ang mga given dito. Sa step number 4, we have solve the equation. Dito, kailangan nating isolve ang equation gamit ang mga given. Maaaring gumamit ng addition, subtraction, multiplication, o division. Let us have example problem number 1. If x varies directly as y and x is equal to 55 when y is equal to 11, find the constant of variation. Step 1. Read the problem and write the equation. If x varies directly as y and x is equal to 55 when y is equal to 11, find the constant of variation. Hanapin din natin ang statement o clue na nagsasabing ang problem ay under direct variation. At ito ay x varies directly as y. At ang equation natin ay x is equal to ky, or kung k naman ang hinahanap, ang equation natin ay k is equal to x over y. Number 2, identify the given. Ang mga given natin ay x is equal to 55, y is equal to 11, and the constant of variation, which is k, ang hahanapin. Step 3. Since k or the constant of variation ang hinahanap, ang gagamitin nating equation ay k is equal to x over y. Kapag sinubstitute natin ito, magiging k is equal to 55 for the value of x over 11 for the value of y. And lastly, step number 4, solve the equation. We have k is equal to 55 divided by 11. That makes the value of k, which is equal to 5, as our final answer. Let us proceed with example problem number 2. If x varies directly as y and x is equal to 6 when y is equal to 3, find x when y is equal to 15. Step number 1, read the problem and write the equation. The problem is, if x varies directly as y and x is equal to 6 when y is equal to 3, find x when y is equal to 15. Hanapin natin ang statement o clue na nagsasabing ito ay direct variation. Ito ay x varies directly as y. Ang equation naman natin ay x is equal to ky. Kung k naman ang hinahanap, ang equation na pwedeng gamitin ay k is equal to x over y. Step number 2, identify the given. Ang mga given natin ay x is equal to 6, y is equal to 3, y is equal to 15. Hinahanap ang x, hinahanap din ang k. Kung napansin nyo, may dalawang magkakaibang kulay tayo dito. Under sa green, kailangan muna nating hanapin ang value ng k bago natin mahanap ang value ng x dun sa red na given. Step 3. Use the equation and substitute the given. Since hindi natin alam ang value ng k, hahanapin muna natin ito at ang equation na ating gagamitin ay k is equal to x over y. Kailangan natin itong isubstitute based sa mga given. We have k is equal to 6 over 3. At ang makukuha nating value para sa k ay 2. Next, we need to solve for the equation. And we need to find the value of x. Ang gagamitin nating equation ay x is equal to ky. Since alam na natin ngayon ang value ng k, maaari na natin itong isolve. X is equal to 2 times 15. At ang value ng x na makukuha natin ay x is equal to 30, that makes the final answer. Ngayon naman, kunin ang inyong mga modules for quarter 2 at buksan ito sa module 2 under solving problems involving variation. At itry ang mga sumusunod. Una, what's in? Number 1. Pangalawa, what's more? Number 1 and number 2. Pangatlo, what I can do? Number 1. At dito nagtatapos ang ating lesson. Muli, ako si Ms. Michelle V. Flores, ang inyong guro sa mathematics. Thank you and keep safe always.